All right, everybody. I don't mean to keep going on about this, but I was just sitting here looking at it, and I know that the guards are homemade, or probably whoever made the cabinet made the guards. But I was sitting there looking at it, and I thought to myself, man, I almost bet that motor'd run. So I plugged it in. Go ahead and plug it in. And see, I plugged it right in. Took right off. Switch even works. For some reason I feel like it doesn't need as much now. Okay, that's all. Next time you see this, I'll be working on it or whatever, but that's all. Thank you for watching.